Welcome to my first charter airline Gemini Jets review, and this won't be the last. So today we've got a Vivacolombia that operates in Colombia, for those of you who don't know. Airbus A320. Here's the Airbus sign, Vivacolombia logo. There's the plane, and the normal, unlike my last two reviews. I've got information. I believe this came out in 2013. They don't give much information on the back. Okay. So, there's our information. Let's get on to the real model. This plane is a beauty, even though it's a charter. And I don't like charters. Looks like something that you find in Flight Simulator X. We've got our engines. Awesome engines, lots of detail. Our wingtips have a little dot of red on them. And then here's our tail. The flag. Little bubbles. Got red, blue, yellow, a little alright, registration. I'll have it down there somewhere. HK 4818. Repeat. HK 4818. And then, surprisingly, first time in one of my reviews, the wheels do move, and the bottom was very detailed. I've got a little Gemini Jets logo, chrome display stand hole, you know the drill. And then the wings have our little evacuation slides, instructions for where they should go in case of a water landing, or an emergency landing, or anything like that. So the nose, I think, is the most detailed of them all, of the whole plane. Oh well. I'll just hold it up like this. You can see there's like spikes coming down toward the middle, which I like. Really makes it look like if it's an FSX. For those of you who don't know what FSX is, it's Flight Simulator X. And that is it for this review. I will see you in my next review. Okay? Goodbye. Or should I say, adios. Get it? No?